Have you ever wondered why people behave the way they do? Why some people inspire loyalty effortlessly, while others trigger jealousy without saying a word? Why someone close to you suddenly changes? Or why you sometimes sabotage your own success without realizing? Today I'm going to take you on a journey that will change the way you look at people forever. A journey into the hidden side of human psychology, inspired by Robert Greene's masterpiece, The Laws of Human Nature. And trust me, once you understand these laws, you'll stop being manipulated. You'll stop feeling confused by people's actions. And you'll start understanding your own mind on a deeper level. Because the truth is, most of the pain in life doesn't come from failure. It comes from not understanding human nature. Imagine this. You walk into a room and someone gives you a weird look. Instantly your mind reacts. Did I say something wrong? Did they not like me? Are they judging me? This is the first law, the law of irrationality. We like to believe we are logical creatures. But the reality? Over 90% of our decisions are emotional. People don't react to your words. They react to their own fears, insecurities, childhood scars, and hidden desires. And this is where most misunderstandings begin. Not in reality, but in our assumptions. Robert Greene says, understand your emotions first, or you will be controlled by the emotions of others. Think about it. How many times did you get angry and regret it later? How many relationships broke because someone reacted impulsively? How many dreams died because fear whispered something in your ear? Once you learn to control your emotions, you control your life. Let me tell you a story. In the movie, The Dark Knight, the Joker isn't powerful because of strength. He's powerful because he understands human nature better than anyone. He knows people panic under pressure. He knows one small push can make a good man lose control. He knows fear is stronger than logic. That's why he wins, not by force but by psychological mastery. Now imagine if you understood human nature just a little better. How much conflict you would avoid, how much confidence you would gain, how much clarity you would carry with you. This book teaches that. Now let's talk about the law of narcissism. And no, it's not about being selfish. It's about understanding that every person you meet lives in their own movie. You are just a character in their story. People don't see you as you are. They see you as they are. That's why sometimes you do everything right, but still get misunderstood. To survive in this world, you must learn the ability to read people, their expressions, their tone, their insecurities. Greene says, empathy is the greatest social superpower. When you understand people deeply, opportunities open, conflicts disappear, influence becomes natural. But here's where most people struggle. The law of role-playing. Every human being wears a mask. The polite colleague, the strict parent, the supportive friend. Behind every mask, there's a hidden motive. Not always evil. Sometimes the motive is fear of judgment, fear of rejection, fear of looking weak. Think of the movie, Catch Me If You Can. Frank Abagnale fooled pilots, doctors, lawyers, not because he was smart, but because he understood one truth. People judge you based on confidence, not reality. If you master your outer behavior, you control how people see you. Greene teaches, appear sincere, appear humble, appear trustworthy, but be fully aware of what's happening beneath the surface. Now let's move into a law that can change your career. The law of short-sightedness. Most people can't see beyond the moment. That's why they quit early, give up dreams, fall for shortcuts, betray their own potential. But the greatest people, the people we admire, they play the long game. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo. People saw his success, not his discipline. People saw his trophies, not his years of sacrifice. The world praises talent, but talent is nothing without long-term vision. Robert Greene teaches, Stop reacting. Start strategizing. In life, those who think long-term always defeat those who chase instant gratification. Then comes one of the most powerful laws, the law of social pressure. You might think you are independent, but society shapes more of your decisions than you realize. The jobs people choose, the relationships they enter, even the dreams they chase, most of it is influenced by others. Remember the movie 3 Idiots? Farhan wanted to be a wildlife photographer, Raju wanted stability, but society pushed both into engineering. That is the law of social pressure. If you don't understand yourself deeply, you end up living someone else's life. Greene teaches, know your own nature first, before society decides it for you. Another law that hits hard is the law of envy. People don't always hate your success. They hate what your success reminds them about themselves. Every time you grow, someone feels attacked. Not because you hurt them, but because you expose their stagnation. Think of Thomas Shelby in Peaky Blinders. His rise created enemies not because he was wrong, but because others felt inferior. This book teaches subtle signs of envy, fake compliments, backhanded praise, unnecessary competition. And once you learn to recognize these signs, you protect your peace. Now I want to share the law that will transform your relationships. The law of aggression. People express aggression differently. Some are openly angry, some are sarcastic, some manipulate silently. Identifying a person's aggression style saves you years of emotional damage. And Greene gives you practical tools to deal with each type, calmly, logically, strategically, without losing your mind. But here's my favorite, the law of generational myopia. We are shaped by the generation before us, but trapped by it too. Parents lived in a different world. Their fears, their beliefs, their values are not always suitable for your future. If you don't break generational patterns, you remain stuck. Greene says, build your identity consciously, not by inheritance. That is how you become your true self. And finally, the most important law, the law of purpose. If you don't know who you are, the world will decide it for you. If you don't know what you want, distractions will choose it on your behalf. Purpose is not something you find. It's something you build through actions, failures, mistakes, and repetition. Just like a sculpture. This book pushes you to look deeper. What drives you? What drains you? What scares you? What excites you? Once you identify your purpose, everything becomes clearer. Your relationships, your decisions, your struggles, your dreams. So why should you read The Laws of Human Nature? Because it is not just a book, it is a manual for life. It reveals truths you were never taught in school. It prepares you for the real world, where emotions rule decisions, where people wear masks, where envy hides behind smiles, where manipulation happens silently, where purpose gets lost in distractions. This book makes you stronger, calmer, wiser, and more in control of your life. It helps you understand others. But more importantly, it helps you understand yourself. If you want to succeed in this world, you must master human nature. And if you want to master human nature, this book is your greatest weapon. Read it, apply it, and watch how your life transforms.